O tome koliko je donatorska pomoć efikasna u južnoj Srbiji, o tome šta se do sada ostvarilo i u kojoj meri je efikasnost donatorske pomoći pomogla da se ostvare bolji rezultati, u kojoj meri domaći akteri imaju vodeću ulogu u ovim procesima, koji su ti izazovi sa kojima se susrećemo i kako unaprediti buduću saradnju, razgovarat ćemo danas sa našim panelistima.
My experience as a donor is, unless you have that amongst the donors, you'll be stepping on each other's toes and sometimes spending your money on the same thing. So I'm very positive and optimistic as a donor that we're going to be working together very closely to assure that as our resources go down, that we're putting our money in the right places.
As we have heard, the donor aid is decreasing. The tendency is not positive in this sense, but sometimes we have the feeling that when we are present and very active on the ground, on the spot, the state is like reducing its presence and like delegating to the donors in the international community the task. This is also part of the coordination and of the dialogue that we have to have with the state, also on the central level.
First of all, for finding solution and really progressing in this region, the most important is maybe not assistance and programs and projects, but to have a dialogue, to have a partnership between the Serbian central government and the local authorities, or the Serbian government and the Albanian Minority Council. It is very essential to have a partnership and an openness and readiness to negotiate any issue and to find a compromise or solution.
Working through the local development strategies. We want to see the local government lead us and tell us what its priorities are so that our programs can be in alignment with those. We need to also try and align national and local policies. All too often they can diverge.
Mislim da, zapravo sigurna sam da u koordinacionom telu u posljednje 3 godine međunarodna zajednica ima izuzetnog partnera u smislu otvorenosti, neprekidne saradnje i dakle čini mi se da je ono najvažnije što želim da podvučem jeste da mi imamo ideje kako unaprediti stanje u ove 3 opštine.